First, open your Shopify store and navigate to the Settings section. From there, go to the Apps and Sales Channel tab to access the Shopify App Store. Search for the Parkour Pixel app. Open it and click on Install to add the app to your store. You can also find the app install link in the video description. Once the app is installed, pin it to make future access more convenient. Next, under the App Embed status, click on Turn On. This will redirect you to the App Embeds page. Enable the app and click Save. Then, return to the app and click on Turn On under App Status to complete the activation process. Now, let's proceed to adding a Facebook pixel. For this setup, we'll use the manual setup mode. Start by entering a name for your pixel. Then, head over to Facebook's Events Manager page. Go to the Settings tab and copy the Dataset ID. Paste this ID into the Pixel ID field in the app. For server-side tracking, set the Conversion API option to Yes. Then, go back to the Events Manager, navigate to the Settings tab, and click on Generate Access Token. Copy the token and paste it into the app. The test event code is used to verify the Conversion API setup, but it's not required for completing this configuration. The setup is now complete, and your events should start recording perfectly now. In the same manner, you can also install multiple pixels on the store. To remain updated about new tips regarding dropshipping and Facebook ads, make sure to join our Telegram and Discord community linked in the description below.